Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trade. So today is 22nd of November 2017 and I will be analyzing Bank Nifty. First see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose and any trade that you decide to take upon based on the suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility and I can't be held legally responsible for it. So Bank Nifty, if you see, let's go to the daily chart. So this is the horizontal line which I had drawn 4 days back, and this line is not broken. This is acting as a good support, and price action is going within this range, and we have seen this in the past also, that whenever bank nifty is giving a big move, it is giving that with the gap. So here there was a big move, it was with the gap. Here it was a big move followed by a candle, and then here it was a big move with the gap. So this is what we are seeing currently. Now should we wait for another gap up for a big move? But then one thing you will realize, that all these big moves are always coming on the upside, so the trend is definitely up. Now how long this moves in this range is definitely something that is troubling traders, and especially if you are into options, then definitely it matters a lot that you need to get on time. You need to exit on time, otherwise you will be hit by decay if it moves in the range. Now since tomorrow is expiry, so we can expect some good move, and if at all it is going up tomorrow, then I expect that at least it should touch 26,000 tomorrow, or at least 25,900 is something I'm expecting that bank nifty should touch. 26,000 is not a big deal for bank nifty, and possibly it should touch it. Let's see that whether that happens tomorrow or not, or if it is range bound. So it is difficult to say currently that to give the range in which it will go in the expiry, but currently I think that it may go up to 26,000 tomorrow, and we can have a good expiry move. Now today when market opened, and there are few persons who went short, but then if you see, this is what bank nifty is currently doing. It is opening up and then coming down and again moving in a range. So it is just so if you want to catch this small movement, fine. Otherwise it is just a range bound movement. So you short here, you cover here, you buy here, and you go up. So this is what bank nifty is doing. It is fooling traders, making them feel that as soon as it goes up, it is not able to sustain, and then it comes down. So every time it has done so. If you see, every time this has done so, but then constantly, if you see, it is always moving up. In this month only, I believe that it has moved 1,000 points up. So the trend is definitely up. Now it is up to us that how do we trade it. Now if we analyze only this part, this seems to be a W pattern. If this completes out and this range is taken, so currently I see around 200 points up. But then if this will happen tomorrow, let's see how it does tomorrow morning. But then currently we should bank nifty is in uptrend, and I think nifty should also blast off. The only thing which is holding nifty is weekly expiry in bank nifty, because as you might be knowing that the option writing is done by big players, and this weekly option is a big opportunity for them to get a lot of profit. So these guys can hold the price level at the uh, at certain level, because they are shorting options. So this is very important that uh, if at all it has to move up, probably it can go tomorrow, because then short covering will still take it up. Now what we have to see, that when nifty takes off, because it is also range bound and nifty is underperforming is underperforming than bank nifty and underperforming than global markets also. So what I believe is nifty will blast off someday, and then on those days we will see a big rally. But then if that will come this month, maybe next week or next month, this is something that we have to see. But the trend is currently definitely up, and this I have been telling constantly from this level, and you see that it is going up. So let's see that how what happens tomorrow, if it is able to touch on the 6000 or not. That's it for now. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.